Alright, if you're watching this video, it's because you already have the frequencies and the wavelengths, at least recorded on your paper. I've put them here as well into the online document. So I'm going to highlight this table and Control C to copy and Control V to paste this data table into Excel. You'll end up submitting the Excel file to the hub. The paper copy you'll submit to me with the conclusion questions answered. We are going to get the period now. Period is 1 over frequency, so underneath the period entry, the first entry, I'm going to click the equal sign and 1, I'm typing 1 up here, 1 divided by, selecting this first entry, hit enter, and then I will click, drag, hold, bottom right hand corner, the cursor turns black and it will automatically change the period for me. I can reduce the number of decimal places if I, underneath the general here on the home tab selected in Excel, increase decimal, we'll decrease it to about 5 decimal places of precision. So I'm just going to go down. That way it's not too much, because these can be irrational numbers. Can decrease. About 5 decimal places is good. Okay, we'll get the average quarter wavelengths. So underneath this empty cell, going to click the equal sign, type the word average, and click, drag, hold across the row from C4 to E4 equals, and click, drag, hold all the way down. And again, I'm going to reduce these decimal places to about 3, so I make sure everything has 3 decimal places. Whoops. Yeah. Now we want the average wavelength. I have the quarter wavelengths. We need the average wavelength. So if these are 1/4 of the wavelength, then the full wavelength would be 4 times these averages. So underneath average wavelength, I type the equal symbol. I'm going to type the number 4, shift 8 for the asterisk, and I'm going to select the first entry, hit enter, and then I click, drag, hold all the way down. It'll auto-populate for me with them selected still. I'm going to reduce to 3 decimal places of precision. Okay, so this is how to complete the data table. Again, make sure you have this in the Excel file. You'll submit the Excel file to the hub. And the next video, I'll show you how to make the graph. Thanks for watching. Study well.